What's up everyone, welcome to Brent Aquarium Adventures. Today I'm showing you one of the coolest fish in my tank, my electric blue Jack Dempsey. This fish doesn't just look good, it has serious attitude. What makes this fish special? The electric blue Jack Dempsey is basically the glow up version of the normal Jack Dempsey. That bright blue color is real and it looks even better in person. It's one of those fish that actually recognizes movement and reacts when you walk past the tank. How should the tank setup be? This fish needs space, I'd say at least 150 liters with rocks, caves and places to hide. They like to claim territory, so don't overcrowd the tank. A strong filter is a must because this fish is messy. Water care, keep it simple. Keep the water clean and warm around 24 to 28 degrees Celsius. Regular water changes make a huge difference in color and behavior. Feeding is easy. Mine eats pellets, frozen foods and pretty much anything that fits in its mouth. Just don't overfeed or your water quality will suffer. Behavior and tank mates. This fish has personality. It's not crazy aggressive, but it will stand its ground. Only keep it with fish that are similar in size and not too shy. If you want a fish that actually feels alive and interactive, the electric blue Jack Dempsey is a solid choice. Drop a like if you enjoyed this and subscribe for more real aquarium content. I'll see you in the next video.